Hi guys, welcome again to our channel where we teach how to make money every day. So you are at the right place. If this is your first time of watching this video, subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss our daily uploads. And if you are already with us, kindly drop us a like. It really helps with YouTube's algorithm. Guys, today we are going to learn how to upload books for free. Whilst we upload, we make money, guys. We can make $10, $3, $50 and above. It is all about you uploading the content and waiting for someone to download this free content. You can do this in anywhere in the world that you find yourself. All that you need is your computer or your phone, and you are ready to make your money. So the first site that you have to visit is in Digital Works. So as you can see on the screen, it has been trusted by webmasters and by bloggers. This site, they publish books or content, either videos or anything, and they sell it. But the fun part is that they have a free product that you can download and upload on different sites for free without you breaking any copyright. So this is where the fun is. We are going to download this free site, upload it to a site that will pay us for those downloads, guys. Isn't this great? But before we even go there, guys, there's something here that we need to see. Click on the free product, right, and click on free books. They even have free softwares, free videos, free templates, free graphics, and free audio. Guys, these things are free and they are all free from copyright. But our intention is on free ebooks, because we shall upload ebooks and get paid by uploading them and someone downloading them. So click on the ebooks and this is what will come, guys. So these are one of the best books, but they are still free for us to download, guys. They are free to download. You can choose any of these, download all of them, upload them onto the site that I'll show you right now, and when someone downloads it, you make your $3, $10, $20 and your $100 daily, guys. So all these books are for free. You can click on the next button for you to gain access to the other list of books that can be downloaded, guys. If you look at this, Forum Marketing Mastery, and this will teach you how to market, will show you secrets, guys. People will surely want to read the content. So when you upload such ebooks, someone will surely click download and you are paid by those downloads. So to be part of it, you have to click on access products. Remember, click on access products. When you click on the access products, this is what you've been met. We met with their form. There's a need for you to fill this form, guys. But if you already have an account, you just log in. And remember, guys, for the membership, you choose free membership. They have gold membership and the rest that you need to subscribe for a year, 3 months, or lifetime, guys. But ours is for free because you want to make free money online. So click on the free membership. Don't worry, type your first name, your last name, type your email address, confirm it, choose a username, type in your password. You have to tick on this, the anti-spam, and after click next. Now as you go through, you'll be sent an email and you have to confirm the email. So as you confirm the email, then you become a member. If you become a member, that is when you can now download these ebooks for free, and after you can now upload them to the site that I will show you just in minutes, guys. Remember, if you are new here, kindly subscribe. But if this video is interesting, guys, remember, drop us a like. It really helps pushing this content out there. So the site that we shall upload the ebooks that we have just downloaded is called the uploadforever.com, guys. Watch the icon closely, guys. You can either get it also on the Play Store, or you can use your PC for the uploads, guys. And the fun part is that, guys, anytime you upload content and someone downloads the content, they'll pay you, guys. This is very easy. So when you click on make money, this is what will come, guys. Now it says that App Forever is a site for profit from uploading files. Profits are calculated on each download. It provides some of their other properties for profit, guys. App Forever pay even per 1,000 downloads in some areas, right? So App Forever is calculated as earning rates for all areas without exception, guys. This is so great. It's so good. So these are the content and this are the amount to be paid, guys. So nations in Africa, countries in Africa, guys, when they also download, there's amounts you gain, and when those from the Asian worlds, there's amounts that will be paid, guys. But if those from the Europe side downloads, you pay more. So this is just the downside, guys. Even here they have proof of payment. So when you click on the proof of payment, these are the people that they have paid, guys. They have paid them. And look at the country, guys. Look at the countries, look at the amount. So this guy was paid $57, guys. Some were paid through PayPal, guys. They are just paying, guys. They are just, so these are the payment methods, guys, and this is the amount that I've paid to others. These are their email addresses, and these are the years, guys. So this is something legit that when you upload those content there, you just need to wait for a while and expect payment. And watch, guys, that look at it, the people that have paid. Wow, it is just great. So guys, you just need to upload those PDF. You just wait for a while, guys. Wait for some few days, weeks, and surely someone will come along and will download the file, and you'll be paid what you deserve, guys. Remember, the name is Upload Forever, guys. So you have to click on the sign up here. Now this is the form you have to fill. So when you fill this form, very simple one: username, password. You have to retype the password, type your email, click on I'm not a robot, and you just sign up, guys, and you are ready to upload your files, guys. This is the end of the video. If you have any questions, don't worry, drop a comment and I will surely get back to you. So thank you very much, guys, and let us make money every day. Have a lovely day. Peace.